Hello, is this thing on? Okay, I tried once. I didn't do it properly, so I'm going to do it again. This is a translation of one of my works in Italian. It's called God's Cough. The subordination. Down here. The subordination is often participative of inconclusion of a diseased mind that is obligated to follow old coincidences that are like the withering heights of a correlated with a fruitive sense of hearing that is embittered but also insistent within glorifying the capacity to retrieve from God the beginning of the world. We were monsters, lizards in the mud, but out of such things there developed intelligence. You could call it divine, or you can call it like a scientific feat, but often the hand of God that substitutes it with the tapestry of expectancy, with salvation. Therefore, both are the same thing within the focalization of reassurance of a patient or patience. Because when you have a broken foot, as I said before in an earlier video, you go to the doctor, and then you hope the priest prays for you. Con, with a reassuring whisper that's like a prayer towards the good sense of returning on Mother Earth. Thus, therefore, let's go for the good structures and the good creatures, and not those bad dinosaurs that once ruled ones. Otherwise, we risk to disappear from the face of the earth in this big earth, made of fruits and vegetables, often like the vegetation of their fruitions, even mentally, unfortunately. Okay. I was going to end it with a video, but it takes too long and it's contradictory, so I'm just going to end it like that. It's called La Tos de Dio, God's Cough. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. And have a good day.